Hello and welcome. So today we're going to be learning how to use Google Drive, right? So let's get started. So if this is your first time hearing about Google Drive, let me explain what Google Drive is, right? It's a platform provided by Google that is used. You can upload something, you can upload any picture, documents you have online, and when you upload it online, you cannot lose it, right? You can just retrieve it from there at any time and download it. It's just like uploading something in the cloud, you understand? If you've heard of cloud before, saving it so it doesn't get lost. So Google Drive is used for many things, right? If you don't have it downloaded on your phone already, if you don't have the app on your phone, you can get it from Play Store or Apple Store. Okay, so one of the things is that this is the folders that here. This is the home, right? It shows you the recent files you've opened. This is the start option. This is one that some of the file you receive and you don't want to go searching for it. You can just easily start them, so you can just easily get them back. And this is the shared, and I'll explain what shared means. This is the one that, like, say for example, let me go to my YouTube channel, right? And then I get a video from there. Let's just go. Okay, this is the better design that I want, right? And let's say the link is in the description. You can get the resources. So if I click on this link, right, it takes me back to my Google Drive. Now sometimes it's just online, so I just download what is here. So if this is what I want, I just click on it, right? I just click on it, and this icon here is download. So if you want to get it to your phone, I'll just download it. The same thing, I'll go back. This is place you want to go back, right? Let me tap on that. This is the place to go back. Okay, right, you just download also, right? Let me tap on that also. So you download it, device too, right? You've seen how I downloaded it the first time. So that's how easy it is to just retrieve files. But now as we click on this link here now, when we go back to our Google Drive, right, I will check on shared. It's because I've already clicked on that link before. But when you have not clicked on it before, you see that it pops up in this place, right? Meaning that anytime I want, I will just come to my Google Drive, go to shared, and I can retrieve the icons that are displayed here, right? When you click on it, you can easily just, right, click on these three icons here. You can download it, you can share it with other people, you can print it and all of that. Now Google Drive is used to share not just pictures but also videos and even books, right? Let me go, for example, this the School of Money. This is an audio, right? It even shares audio too. You can download it. If I click on it now, it can be playing online and you can download it, right? Okay, it's playing already. But what I will be mainly using Google Drive for is just to share with you resources that we're going to be using for our designs, you understand? So when I want to create any type of design, festive season flyer, I just share with you the model. All you have to do is just to go click on it, you download it, and then you get it from your phone. And anytime you want to get it from your phone, you just go to your download folder, right? So I'll go to my files, and then I'll go to my downloads, right? And then you see the one. Okay, because I have many files here, but you see the picture that you've downloaded from that Google Drive. You see it appear in your download section, right? So Google Drive is very, very easy to begin about. That's just what you need to know about it. It's easy to share a folder. Now if you have a picture on your phone and then you don't want it to get lost, right, you can just upload it here and you'll be there forever. Why I even use Google Drive for this classes, that if I share it with you, instead of sharing it on the group and burning my data every single time, I just upload it here. You can go and watch it, right? And you can also go back and retrieve it anytime. It's not going anywhere. Do you understand? Okay, so that's how easy it is to use Google Drive. And later, right, maybe in the masterclass, I'll explain to you guys how to create your own folders in Google Drive and how to maybe set up your own stuff on Google Drive and keep it safe and prevent others from getting access to it, because there's a way you create something on Google Drive and then you set others as an editor, right? And then they'll be able to edit your own stuff and then change it for you, right? Like, so for example, now when I finish sharing any stuff with you, I don't just give it to you like this, right? And just show it like this. Friday birthday. Now I will go to click on that three icons there at the left, right, and I'll go to manage access. Then when I click on manage access, I'll now change it to anyone with link. So if I don't want anybody to see this thing, I'll just restrict it. And when it's on, normally by default it is unrestricted, right? So until I go and change this stuff, anybody that click the link, they will say access denied. But when I make it anyone with link and I share the link, anybody that clicks the link and gets what is inside the folder. Hope you understand. So, and also I make you guys viewers, so you just be able to view and use, you will not be able to edit it. But if you go and you are creating your own files and you go and make somebody and a commenter, like that's still good. But an editor means the person can come and delete what is here. But when I share something with you, or when something is shared with me, like let's say for this is the resources, I cannot delete anything, right? I can only view it. You see, I cannot delete anything. There's no even delete option here. But when I made a this and an editor, I'll be able to delete it. So when you're creating your own, if you ever want to create, right, make sure that you just put people as viewers. So I hope I pretty covered the basics of understanding Google Drive, what it is used for, and what you need to know about it. Also, you need to sign in with your Google account, because I already signed in. That's why you need to sign in with your Google account, and that's easy. I believe you have a Gmail, so you just sign in and then you get access. It's that simple. Thank you.